Hello, fabulous fourth graders. Welcome back to All Block. Today you will complete part 4. Read the prose, write a poem. Let's listen to the read aloud of the book I Am Human by Peter Reynolds. After that, we're going to write a poem. Actually, you're going to write a poem that matches the read aloud. Your poem must include sensory words. Remember, sensory words are words that appeal to your 5 senses. Words that help your reader smell, taste, touch, feel, and see what's happening in your poem. Your poem should be at least 2 stanzas long and at least 8 lines. Let's read I Am Human. I Am Human, a book of empathy by Susan Verde, art by Peter Reynolds. I was born a miracle, one of billions, but unique. I am human. I am always learning. I am finding my way and choosing my path on this incredible journey. I have big dreams. I see possibility. I have endless curiosity. I make discoveries. I have a feeling of wonder. I am amazed by nature. I have a playful side. I find joy in friendships. I am human. But being human means I am not perfect. I make mistakes. I can hurt others with my words, my actions, and even my silence. I can be hurt too. I can be fearful of things I don't yet understand and timid to try something new. I have a heavy heart when I feel sadness. I am human. But then I remind myself that because I am human, I can make choices. I can move forward. A poor choice can become a better choice with thoughtfulness. A bad day can become a great day with kindness. I can act with compassion and lend a helping hand. I can treat others with equality and fairness. I can choose not to fight, but instead to listen and find common ground. I can say, I am sorry, and ask for forgiveness. I am human. One of billions, but unique. I am not alone. I am connected to my friends, to my family, to the world. We are all humans together, and I will keep trying to be the best version of me. I am full of hope. I am human. Thanks for watching. Now, open your notebook and think about the beginning of this book, the middle of this book, and the end of this book, and how you can write a poem inspired by the book using sensory words, at least 2 stanzas, and at least 8 lines. Feel free to rewind this video and jump back to the parts of the book that inspire you. Good luck, writers, and I can't wait to read your poem.